How are damages calculated in third-party workplace injury claims? Imagine you've been injured at work by someone outside your company. You might wonder how the law figures out what you should get in compensation. Well, calculating damages in these cases involves looking at both tangible costs and emotional impacts. Unlike workers' compensation, which offers limited benefits without fault, third-party claims requiring proving negligence and open the door to broader compensation. First, we look at economic damages. These are the actual costs you've faced or will face because of the injury. Medical expenses cover everything from emergency ambulance fees, hospital stays, surgeries, to ongoing treatments like physical therapy or medications. Experts estimate future medical costs based on your injury severity and expected long-term care needs. Lost wages are calculated by multiplying your usual earnings by the number of days or weeks you couldn't work. If your injury causes permanent disability, damages also include the projected loss of future income. This involves considering your age, skills, and the current job market to estimate how much income you might lose over your working life. Next, we consider non-economic damages. These are more about how the injury affects your life beyond dollars. Pain and suffering compensate for physical pain, emotional distress, and the loss of enjoyment of everyday activities. Usually, lawyers use methods like multiplying the economic damages by a certain factor or assigning a daily value to suffering to come up with a fair amount. Emotional distress and mental anguish are also included if the injury causes anxiety, depression, or trauma. To recover damages, you need to prove that the third party had a duty of care, breached it through negligence, and that this breach directly caused your injury. This legal step is what makes third-party claims different from workers' compensation, which doesn't require fault. Sometimes, punitive damages are awarded if the third party's conduct was reckless or malicious, serving as a punishment. If you share some fault for the accident, your damages might be reduced proportionally. In the end, calculating damages is about making sure all your losses, both financial and emotional, are properly accounted for. Experts like medical professionals and financial analysts help ensure your claim reflects your current and future needs. This process helps you get the full compensation you deserve after a workplace injury caused by someone outside your employer.